Now let's see how to add a header and a page number in QPA. First, click on the header option. Enable the header section, then enter the name of the institute and the subject name. Once entered, click apply. You will now see the header displayed on the question paper. If you want to add a logo instead of text, simply clear the existing text and upload the image logo. You can resize and adjust the logo based on your requirement. To add design elements, click on the shapes option and choose the required shape. You can move the shape to any position, resize it, and even change its color to match your design preference. If you want to hide the header line, the option is also available within the header settings. Now, to add page numbers, simply click on the page number option and apply it. Your question paper will now display page numbers automatically. That's it. Your document is now customized with headers, logos, shapes, and page numbers using QPA.
Create professional aligned exams with question paper alignment. Visit our website and subscribe for more.